guys, welcome back to Aiden's Toys Review. You're here because these are the twins.
Hi.
Look, they're so the same. Okay, we're going to do a treasure hunt. I don't know where this is. Okay, so
In Mitchie's, not here.
okay.
We're in the house over
We
here.
have to go to. Wait, we're looking upside down. There's a.
Go to.
Okay, there's a house. Let's go.
Okay, let's go to the bridge house.
Wait, look. We have to wait for her. We're still making her map.
We're gonna go here and gonna miss inside. There's a cute cat.
Don't touch it, baby. You will get bite. And you will get you have to injection 3 times. Look at her map.
See, I only got on thing.
Okay, let's go first to the first mystery. No, don't! Cats are scared of waters. Why did you do that?
Because it's gonna.
That's it. I'm going to turn off the water. Sorry guys for the twins. They're not that smart. Okay, come on, let's go. Okay. Wait, we have to go to the mystery. Come on, let's go. Let's go to the question mark. Let's go. It's here. And the first, whoa. Guys, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Yeah. There's literally a dead cat at the middle of this white house. And this is my house, by the way, guys. This is where I video my funny video. Don't step on her. Maybe she will break her bones. Come on, let's go. Be careful.
Don't put the cat.
Hey, come on!
Who?
Next
Nail
one.
here.
Okay, we're already right here. Okay.
Let's go.
Hey, wait, we need to wait for your sister. Hey, wait! Don't step on her, okay? Maybe she died in the 1920s.
I'm gonna break her bone.
No, don't!
She's gonna get died. Guys, we go in the house with Aiden. Let's go to the mystery.
We're already here at the mystery.
Oh, hey.
We have to go there and we have to go down. Wait, what's that sound? Wait, guys, I need to check. Bro, Granny's here. Granny's here. Let's go. Let's run. Wait a minute. Come on. Let's go.
I'm Cindy, guys.
Okay, wait. Wait. We're at the Kraken. That's what's scaring us. Okay, the next one is the Megalodon. Let's go.
We're going here.
We're going on a mystery. I'm bored. Wait, you're going on a mystery too?
Wait, letting in.
You're going on a mystery? You're going on a... Hey, Gumball, get out of here! Go. Hop, hey, hop, hey. Honey.
We're going to the line.
Okay, where are we? We're at... Oh no. We have to dodge this. And later we will get to the... What's this?
We're going to the gate and
Come on, let's go! Okay.
We're going to the gate, this one.
We're here.
We're here.
And now, it's time for that tap. Let's go. Okay, we're zooming. Now we're here.
Try it, guys. I'm not gonna get me.
At last. But wait. The map shows here we're at the iceberg.
That little spear. Hey, he's gonna found us. We're in.
Oh no, that's the walking iceberg! That's the walking iceberg! Run away! Okay, and now we're at the X marks a spot. This looks pretty sus. We have to find it.
And we use trouble.
Is it up there?
Somewhere and I
You look. Is it there something? Let me know in the comments down below. What? That's a mini river. That smells pretty bad. Guys, after I say that, I found it! And we literally get it, Mr. Crab, Krusty Krabs.
It's empty. It's still empty. We need to find a treasure.
Ew!
We need to find a golden treasure for the mystery grounded. It's here.
Okay. I guess so. So this is the end of Aiden's Toys review. I found Mr. Krabs, Krusty Krab, and I don't see here like anything. We complete the journey. We go here to our house. We defeat the Kraken, defeat this, and we defeat the iceberg, which is over there. Then now, wait, the Titanic, and now we got Mr. Krabs, Krusty Krabs. So if you enjoyed this video, click like and subscribe to my channel. Also add me on Facebook, okay?